Hi everyone, this is Mr. Eggs with Teach Repeat. Today we're going to be discussing repeated addition and equal groups as strategies to multiply. All you're going to need is a pencil and a piece of paper to participate. Let's get started. We can understand multiplication as adding the same number multiple times, or what is known as repeated addition. We're going to add the same number repeatedly a certain number of times. What multiplication can do is take, say, a 7-step repeated addition problem and turn it into a 1-step problem. But first, we need to practice the strategies that help us understand the math behind the multiplication, then learn those multiplication facts. Equal groups and repeated addition are two of those strategies. Let's get started with a real-world situational problem. I was at the ballpark watching the Pittsburgh Pirates play baseball. I saw them record 3 outs to end the first inning, which made me wonder, how many outs do the Pirates need throughout a full 9-inning game? Let's start with what we know. We know that there are 9 innings. We also know that there are 3 outs in each of those 9 innings. The great thing about math is that when we are stuck or unsure on how to solve a problem, we can usually use a drawing or write out a model in order to help us solve. The first strategy that we're going to use is repeated addition. The 9 innings in our game are going to represent the number of groups. The 3 outs in each of those innings will represent the size of our groups. Since there are 3 outs in each inning, we can add 3 9 times. When we add the same number multiple times, that is what we call repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3, and so on, 9 times. On your piece of paper, go ahead and write out our repeated addition problem and take a moment to solve. It should look something like this. Talk through that together. 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 3 equals 9, plus 3 equals 12, plus 3 equals 15, plus 3 equals 18, plus 3 equals 21, plus 3 equals 24, plus another 3 equals 27. We added 3 9 times to get 27. We can also use a drawing or a model in a multiplication problem called equal groups. We can use large circles to represent each group. Remember, we said that our 9 innings represent the number of groups. So we can draw 9 large circles as our groups. We know that each inning has 3 outs, and the 3 represents the size of our groups. We can show the size of our groups, or those outs in each inning, by drawing smaller circles within those 9 circles we've already drawn. Go ahead and draw 3 small circles in each of the 9 circles that you drew. Your drawing should look something like this. Now, since we know that there are 3 circles in each of those 9, we can count by 3s to solve. Let's do that together. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. The Pirates are going to need 27 outs throughout a full 9-inning game. Now that we've solved our problem, 9 times 3 equals 27, using 2 different strategies, we can look back at the question asked in order to answer the question in a complete sentence. How many outs do the Pirates need throughout a full 9-inning game? We can answer that question as the Pirates need 27 outs throughout a full 9-inning game. We've shown our work, written an equation, answered our question. Our work here is done. I hope that you've enjoyed our lesson on repeated addition and equal groups. Please join us for future lessons, including our lesson on using arrays to multiply. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.